Hello everyone, nice to meet you. This video will present the process of Info2Soft i2Move feature. i2Move provides file level and block level migration for different scenarios. Today we prepared 4 servers for the demonstration. First one is the i2App, our console server, and 2 Linux. One as the source machine, another as the target machine. The last one is a bare metal machine that booted from our live CD ISO image. Firstly, we will start a file level migration, which needs to install the DR node package on both the source server and the target server. We can use rpm command to check the installation status. And the migration server also has the same DR node package installed. After checking the DR node package installation on the web console, we can add the servers on resource, DR backup resource, and node. We can click the new button to add the source machine and the target machine. We can configure the basic settings such as the name, IP address, and the username and password to ban that. And we have to assign the move license to them. I have already added them. We can check its status. We can see assign the move license to the source machine and the target machine. And then in the rule setup, for the source machine we assign the move source machine. For the target machine we assign the move target machine rule to them. Then click confirm to create them. Its status will be like this. They will be online, and the node rule is the move target machine and move source machine. For the migration, we have a second license binding process. We will download the node ID and register in the license system by self. We can find them in our system setting, license. In the ID code, we click that. Here we can download the UUID as the text file. Here we can copy them and register the DR node to our license system by self. For the serial number and the activation code, we can find that in our license page. In the update, we can see the SN number and the activation number. Then we select the tab as the move and submit. It will automatically generate the new license for us. We need to copy them and return to our web console, paste in the registration code, and confirm. It will refresh to reload our license information. We will refresh the browser. Then we click the view. The secondary bound has been finished and its status is yes now, which means we can start the i2Move feature on this move source machine. Then we can go to the DR and migration, the business migration. We can click the new to create a new rule. Let's complete the basic settings. And select the production node and our target node. Use which IP address to do the data transmission and which tab for the transmission. Here we use the file as example. This will be a file level migration. The target machine needs to have operating system installed, because we are using virtual machine for test. In the advanced setting, we need to choose the scenarios as virtual machine. Then keep other settings as default. We can click the confirm to submit. It will automatically detect the conditions and we can confirm. This rule will traverse the files in source machine and we can start the migration after its status turns to ready. It will take some time to migrate the data. Now we can see the status is ready and we can click the More. Here we have the Move. Now we can migrate the data to the target path. It will take some time to migrate the data. After the migration done, now we can see the status has been changed to reboot ready. Now need us to manually reboot the target machine. Then the data will be consistent with the source machine. We can confirm to reboot that. It is rebooting and we can check the target machine now. Now we can access this target machine to check the status of the data. Now we can see the host name has been changed to the MyCircle and it is totally same with our source machine. Okay, this is the file level migration. Next, we will try the block level migration, which needs to prepare a live CD media to boot up the target machine. So this bare metal machine is our live CD booted. We can start that. We will provide the default credential for you. And we can see our DR node package has been built in this live CD. Now we need to configure an IP address for this bare metal machine. Now the IP address has been set up, and we can go to our web console to add the node manually. We can go to the node, click the new, in the name, bare metal, and the IP address. We can verify that it is passed. For the license, also we need to assign a move license for that. Then in the rule setup, we have to assign the move target machine rule to that. Now we can go to the host setup, add a path for replication. We use the root path as example. And confirm to register that. Now we can see the bare metal machine has been created and registered already. Then we can go to the DR and migration, business migration. Click the new. Complete the basic settings here. And select the production node and our target node. Here we use the bare metal for example. The migration tab we need to change to the block device. And here we can click the add button to select which device to be migrated. And here we need to select the target directory. We will cover our SDA disk. We can click confirm to submit this job. It will automatically detect the conditions and we can confirm that. After the status changes to the ready, Now we can start the move. We can click the more and click the move button. Are you sure to migrate? Confirm. The migration will be started. Because this is a bare metal migration, so Info2Soft will automatically help you to inject the necessary drivers to help you boot up. After the driver injection finished, we can go to the More and reboot the target machine. We can click Confirm. Now we can go to our target machine to check its status. We can access this target machine. Use the same credential. We can see the disk partition and the field has been synchronized already, and the IP address is not conflict with our source machine. This is the process of our block level migration, and now we have finished the 2 tabs migration of i2Move feature. Thanks for your watching.